Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car. The 2025 McLaren P1 has long been celebrated as a pinnacle of automotive engineering, blending cutting-edge technology with unparalleled performance. As we step into 2025, the P1 continues to captivate car enthusiasts worldwide. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll delve into its design, performance, technological innovations, and the driving experience it offers. Design and aerodynamics. The McLaren P1's design is a harmonious fusion of form and function. Its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette is not merely for aesthetics. Every curve and contour serves a purpose. The bodywork is sculpted to minimize drag and maximize downforce, ensuring stability at high speeds. The extensive use of lightweight materials, such as carbon fiber, contributes to its agility and performance. The front fascia features sharp lines and aggressive styling, with large air intakes that channel air efficiently to cool the engine and brakes. The rear is dominated by an active spoiler that adjusts dynamically to optimize aerodynamics, providing additional downforce when needed and reducing drag during straight-line acceleration. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the McLaren P1 lies a hybrid powertrain that exemplifies the synergy between internal combustion and electric power. The 3.8-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine, paired with an electric motor, delivers a combined output of 903 horsepower and 664 pounds-feet of torque. This setup allows the P1 to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a blistering 2.8 seconds, showcasing its hypercar credentials. The electric motor serves a dual purpose. It provides instantaneous torque to eliminate turbo lag and enables the P1 to operate in a pure electric mode for short distances. This combination not only enhances performance but also improves fuel efficiency and reduces emissions, aligning with modern environmental considerations. Technological innovations. The McLaren P1 is a showcase of technological advancements that enhance both performance and driver engagement. One of the standout features is the Instant Power Assist System, IPAS, which delivers an immediate boost of electric power at the press of a button, akin to a Formula One KERS system. This feature is particularly useful during overtaking maneuvers, providing an extra surge of acceleration. Another notable innovation is the drag reduction system, DRS, which adjusts the rear wing to reduce aerodynamic drag, allowing for higher straight-line speeds. This system is also inspired by Formula One technology and underscores McLaren's commitment to bringing race-derived innovations to the road. The P1's suspension system is equally advanced, featuring a race-active chassis control, RCC, that adjusts damping and ride height in real time. This ensures optimal handling characteristics across various driving conditions, whether on a smooth racetrack or a challenging backroad. Driving experience. Behind the wheel, the McLaren P1 offers an immersive and exhilarating driving experience. The steering is precise, providing ample feedback to the driver, while the throttle response is immediate, thanks to the seamless integration of the electric motor and turbocharged engine. The braking system, developed in collaboration with Bono, features carbon ceramic discs that provide exceptional stopping power and fade resistance. The P1's cockpit is designed with the driver in mind, featuring a minimalist yet functional layout. High-quality materials, such as Alcantara and carbon fiber, adorn the interior, reflecting the car's performance-oriented nature. The seats offer excellent support during spirited driving, ensuring comfort without compromising on the connection to the car. Legacy and impact. Since its debut, the McLaren P1 has left an indelible mark on the automotive world. It redefined the capabilities of hybrid hypercars, demonstrating that environmental consciousness and extreme performance can coexist. Its limited production run has made it a coveted collector's item, with enthusiasts and collectors alike seeking to own a piece of automotive history. The P1's influence extends beyond its own model, inspiring subsequent McLaren vehicles and competitors to explore hybrid technology in the pursuit of performance. It stands as a testament to McLaren's engineering prowess and commitment to pushing the boundaries of what a road car can achieve. Conclusion: in 2025, the McLaren P1 remains a benchmark in the hypercar segment, embodying a perfect blend of design, performance, and technology. Its innovative hybrid powertrain, advanced aerodynamics, and driver-focused features continue to captivate and inspire, solidifying its status as a modern classic in the automotive world. The backside of the 2025 McLaren P1 is a masterpiece of aerodynamic engineering and aggressive styling, perfectly blending function and aesthetics. The design is dominated by an ultra-lightweight carbon fiber rear wing that actively adjusts to optimize aerodynamics. In high-speed runs, it reduces drag, while during cornering and braking, it increases downforce for maximum stability. The taillights are sleek, following the contours of the body, and feature a futuristic LED design that gives the P1 a signature nighttime presence. The massive rear diffuser, crafted for optimal airflow management, enhances downforce and improves high-speed stability. It's a key factor in keeping the P1 planted on the road, especially during intense track sessions. At the center, the large exhaust outlet is a defining feature, designed to release the powerful roar of the twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid powertrain. The use of lightweight, heat-resistant materials ensures performance efficiency and a thrilling exhaust note. Massive air vents surround the rear, channeling heat away from the high-performance engine and hybrid battery system. This helps maintain optimal operating temperatures, ensuring the P1 delivers peak performance at all times. With its aggressive stance, aerodynamic efficiency, and track-focused design elements, the backside of the 2025 McLaren P1 is a visual and functional masterpiece, showcasing McLaren's relentless pursuit of performance and innovation. Whether on the road or the track, its rear end is a statement of power, speed, and cutting-edge engineering. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.